Hi everyone and welcome to my place. We've just come back from a wonderful trip to Japan, and before I left I made a really lovely hydrating, nourishing facial mist to have on the plane so that I didn't dry out, because if you've done lots of traveling you'll understand what I'm talking about. I used it the whole way as my trial to make sure that it was going to work, and I'm absolutely thrilled with it. But it's pretty easy to put together. You need a spray bottle, which I've labelled, and don't forget that you're not allowed any kind, you've got to put all your fluids into little containers now before you go away, which was a real pain. But never mind. It's half a cup of rose water, or if you didn't have any of that you could use orange blossom water would do. That just gets very quietly poured into your container. Funnels work well. Then I used into that I've got a vitamin E capsule, which I'm just going to pierce and then stick that into it. And I have been told that this acts as a preservative. I'm not sure because I'm not a scientist. And then 3 drops of Ylang Ylang goes into there. That's it, 3 of those. How easy is this? And then the lid goes on, and I've got this, make sure that that's on tight, and then before you use it just give it a good spray onto the face. And I did it every 3 or 4 hours, I suppose, because my flight from here to Tokyo, from New Zealand to Tokyo, was like 12 hours. So this is really great. There was no irritation. I was lovely and hydrated the whole way through, but all your notes on why you would use it will be posted. So I hope you enjoyed that. It really does work. See you again another day.